I need to make a correction from my IRS portal video yesterday and give you a few updates. I want to thank everybody for the comments you've left. So many of you have told me that that video walked you through step by step and showed you exactly how to get through, and you did. So that is so awesome. But I do want to make a few updates right now that I think could help you get through if you're still struggling with the portal. So I'm going to leave a link. This will be a short video. Watch this video, follow what I tell you, and then go to my other video and watch that today. But okay, so on the Social Security number, you don't need to put dashes. So just put the 9-digit number, no dashes. But on the birthday, you still do need to use the forward slashes. A couple of tips that came in from our community, and thank you for doing this. If you filed late in 2008, meaning that you filed for an extension and then you paid in October or November later in the year, then in that case, you need to put a 0 for what you were paid or what you were owed. So if you paid on time, then follow the directions in the next video. But if you paid late, then you just put a 0. So try that. That's another tip. And then a few people said that they had to go off of their 2018 taxes, but they used the address that they're currently living in. So somehow the IRS knew where they were living now, but it was still linked to their 2018. So follow the link below to the video I did yesterday, because that'll walk you through step by step. A ton of people have already got through, but these are just some tips that I've picked up from checking my video. If you found this helpful, consider giving it a like so that YouTube will share it with others. Otherwise, thanks for being a subscriber, and I'll see you on the next video.